Yes.
Nora, happy birthday in advance.
Ate Nora, happy 80th birthday.
Nora, happy 80th birthday. More birthday to come.
Yeah, God bless you.
Tatlong taon pala, tanda ko na. Tatlong taon lang.
Hi, so, kamusta na? Happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday. Virtual celebration. Paano yan? Hindi kami makarating dyan. That virtual distancing, no? Enjoy ka, ha, sa 80th birthday mo. And we wish you many more blessing and healthy years throughout the coming years. Ingat lang at God is so good. We will continue all the pouring blessing to us. Who will imagine na tayong lahat ngayon ay sama-sama rito, di ba? Nauna ako sa babae, sa mga ang pamilya natin. Si Ando Boy naman sa lalaki. And then, imagine lahat tayo andito na, nagsunod-sunuran na tayo. That's very nice. A very grateful blessing sa taas na binigay sa atin, di ba? Kaya enjoy lang tayo. Enjoy ka sa birthday mo, sa 80th birthday. At saka, always be happy. Huwag mag-i-stress para walang stress. What we have now is enough to thank God na ang blessing natin ay okay tayo. We are happy for what we are now and what we have now. Ingat lang para laging masaya tayo. Happy birthday. And I wish you a lot of love, a lot of enjoyment, a happy blessing, lahat na above all, wish ko sa iyo para sa 80th birthday mo. And I hope your prayer and wish for your birthday on your 80th will be granted by the Lord up above. Okay, love you. Happy birthday. Hello, Leonora Cristobal Ilano. Happy 80th birthday.
Hello! Happy birthday to you.
Ciao, ciao, ciao. Happy birthday to you. Bang, bang, bang.
Matanda ka lang pala sa akin ng 2 taon.
80th.
Baliktad. Ako pala matanda sa iyo.
Okay, so happy birthday, ha? Enjoy your birthday.
Enjoy your birthday.
At stay healthy
Have many more to come. Okay?
throughout the years.
Yeah.
Healthy one and blessed one.
Right.
Okay, happy birthday, Mrs. Leonora Cristobal Ilano. Munti ko pa lagyan ng gawaran. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Hero!
Happy birthday, Insonora.
Happy birthday, Auntie! Love you and God bless you always.
Maligayang kaarawan, Iso. Hangad namin ang iyong kaligayahan. Hello, kumusta na?
Happy birthday, Grandma Nora. Happy birthday, Inso. Inso! Oh, dyan na lang kami sa bakod, ah. Baka mo naman sa amin yung pansit. Happy birthday, Inso. And many more birthdays to come. Mwah, 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 mwah. Kakalulog. Where's our
Hello.
Bye-bye.
Ingat palagi. Enjoy.